Down the wicket, is it a chance? Yeah, it's unbelievable. It's more than a chance. It's brilliant. Outstanding from Butler.
From Josh Butler. I think he's the only man in the ground who would have caught this. Just tracks back, very athletic, takes off with a big leap, plucks it out of the sky, one-handed, big roll for the cameras. Shikhar Dhawan's gone, he made 12. Panjab 47 for 1.
Who's bowled him? Who bowled him? He committed very early in chance, pushed him through them. He's a wily little bowler, is Chahal. You won't mind where they are, scoring at upwards of 8.5.
Again out the front of the hand and just tucks him up. He likes to free his arms, does Rajapaksa, and it's just beautiful line from Chahal, just full and straight. Rajapaksa, he's gone for 27, 89 for 2.
99th pin, Chahal gets this man. We've talked about this matchup with Mayank.
Chahal bowling beautifully. He's just such a special bowler. Holds it back a little bit. He does toss it up, but he's got enough revs on the ball to get it to drift and to get it to dip. What mine doesn't, mine's going to have to leave. It's 118 for 3.
Another one in the over for Yuzvendra Chahal. They review it.
Here he is, one. Pitching in line, impacts in line, wickets is umpire's call. We'll get you back on screen. You can stay with your original decision of out.
Johnny Bairstow 56 from 40.
And he knocks him over. That's what he wanted. That was almost an invitation from Livingston. There were two people playing mind games. Livingston won the first 2 rounds, and Prasidh Krishna's won the third. I think both were trying to get a little too cute.
Absolutely zero. The Livingston testing his guts and his skill, and Krishna delivered.
22 of 14, it's 169 for 5. Too cute! Taken! What a moment, what an over! This is Rabada to Butler. He's been hit for 20, and then Butler tries to find another boundary.
Final ball of the over. Just play it out, but it's not the way he plays. In his mind, he's just thinking boundary, boundary, boundary. Joss has got to go. It's 46 for 1.
Wide edge of the circle. Shikhar Dhawan underneath it. Takes the catch. Sanju Samson was trying to deposit the ball over the straight boundary.
Looking to go over mid-off, extra cover, looking for that short boundary. That's a big loss for the Royals now. Sanju, he's gone for 23, 85 for 2.
Now this time Livingston should be able to take it. Yes, it's a fine innings from Yashasvi Jaiswal. And now Arshdeep Singh is going to run all the way to Liam Livingston to say thank you for helping out, because he's not coming down.
Well, Liam Livingston was very annoyed at the treatment of his bowler. Took this from Jaiswal, 68 from 41. Rajasthan 141 for 3.
Got him, Arshdeep Singh. It's a full toss, but you won't begrudge him a little bit of fortune. This was the one opportunity you think in the over to get onto something. He's missed it. Just slices it to extra cover. Mayank Agarwal doesn't miss those. Frustrating knock from Padikkal, 31 from 32, 182 for